Hi Ate Ganda, kumusta?
Mabuti! Ikaw, kumusta ka din?
Busy.
Yeah, busy
Yeah,
nagpipintura.
umuusok yung cellphone. So, ayun.
Eh,
Anyway, anong pakiramdam sa may certificate at saka look?
abay,
Yung yung yung
syempre,
yung
happy.
pin, aba.
I have
So,
a gold pin na meron siyang diamond na maliliit. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Grabe. So anyway, congratulations being one of our M1 star coach, and welcome as well sa M1 we call it shareholder of Oli Life. Yeah.
Yes.
So tag dito. So anong pakiramdam being one of the M1 star coach of Oli Life,
O
madam?
ba, syempre, happy ka. Kahirap kayang abutin nung M3 na yun, ha? Within 3 months na reach ko yun. Nang dahil kay Marlo. Salamat,
M3
Marlo.
no, not M3,
No,
M1.
M1. Yes, yeah. I'm so happy. Kasi yung Holy Life, nakatulong siya sa akin, lalo na sa aking face. Meron talaga siyang magandang resulta na nangyari na ginagamit ko ang Oli Life na P90 Plus. So,
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay, so nung someone you've met in the bus, and then she offered you a free massage,
Yeah.
right? What did she said?
Actually, nabump ko lang siya sa subway. Sabi niya sa akin, nanggaling ako sa massage ko noon. Sister, pagod, sabi niya sa akin noon. Sabi ko, ay, hindi, nagpamassage ako. And then, nag-offer siya ng yung business nga ito yung titingnan ko daw, yung demo. So ako naman, nagpunta ako. And then the moment na nagpunta ako kay Marlo, nakita ko yung ganda in-explain niya yung compensation plan, yung structure, at saka ang ganda nung compensation plan, at saka yung business model. Hindi mo na kailangan kasing mag-avail ka ng isang product. Pwede ka nang maging member as forever na yung account mo, and then hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng every year na mag-monthly ka na auto ship, it's wave na lahat. Ang galing ng company, yung may-ari nito na Oli Life, brilliant na naisip niya na gano'n, na nakatulong siya sa maraming tao. So,
Okay, so that's idagdag ko dyan. Actually, that's what I was impressed with this company in this opportunity because of the model. That this is the first time that I saw a model that there's no auto ship, no maintenance,
Yeah.
no requirements. I mean, every single month, no quota. So as in no monthly requirements. And one more is daily payout. If you sold items today, tomorrow you're gonna receive your commission within 24 hours. So, and the good thing with this is if you're sharing this amazing technology or machine to those people or your loved ones, family and friends who are in pain, or they are like have health issues, man, while you're helping people here in this company, the money will follow. So now blessing will power to us, so now my question to you is, what is your next goal? And also another one is, what is your goal? And what could you say to, or say to those viewers that you
Ang
have?
masasabi ko lang, maganda siyang gawing negosyo kasi pwede mo i-share ito sa buong family mo. Kahit hindi ka maging business owner, kahit user ka lang, ito nakatulong din siya sa akin sa paa ko na namumulikat ngayon. Lessons na yung namumulikat sa paa ko. Gusto kong makatulong sa lahat ng nangangailangan ng Oli Life P90.
Amazing. Ngayon, excited and like overwhelming kasi tingnan mo yung pin mo ngayon, Grabe, di ba? May
Grabe,
pin
oh my God,
Oli
ang
Life
grabe,
and
Oli Life,
also, yan,
One
yun yung
star.
1 star so that it shows that you are already an M1.
Yeah.
So,
Member for life.
okay, so encourage people to all your viewers. Come on. Sorry?
Ano sasabihin ko pa?
No, just tell them to just encourage them to
So, if you are curious about it, just come the office, join us. You will try the machine. No pressure, just try it yourself. Maybe it might makatulong sa inyo. So, ano pa? And grateful ako at nakilala ko si Marlo.
no, grabe siya.
Siyempre naman, kung hindi dahil sa iyo, hindi ko makikita itong business na to. Hindi lang siya coach ko, leaders ng team, business partner, partner in crime. Nakita ko sa kanya yung genuine at dedication niya sa team. Sana wag siyang magsawa at mapagod na tumulong sa amin. Walang iwanan.
Yes. Actually, yeah.
Si Marlo, nasa kanya na lahat ng M.
Ay,
Ano yung
grabe.
yung maraming M na yon?
What are those M's?
Maabilidad,
Ano?
madiskarte,
Ba?
diba?
Ano ba?
Mautak sa negosyo.
Aba, grabe siya.
Ano pa ba?
Pang-apat?
And pang-apat is mahaba ang pasensya,
Aha.
mabait, matulungin,
Ba, daming
at saka isa
M.
pa, mapera.
Ah!
Pahiram nga ako.
Pahiram.
Sabi niyo, di ba? Nasa kanya na lahat.
Magkano?
Magkano? Nasa kanya na lahat ng M. Pero, ano ba ito? Nawala na yung sasabihin ko.
Anyway, so ako naman, ako po si Marlo. Papakita ako.
Dito ka.
Yes!
Yeah.
Nandito ako. Hi! So, anyway, ako naman, I'm just doing my part to guide and support members, especially those committed and those who want to change something in their lives, So those I encourage as well people who are working full time to have at least a side hustle. Side hustle means you can do business on the side. You don't need to quit your job, but maybe continue working, but later on if you're making money more than of what you are making, and then maybe you need to decide.
Yeah.
But I encourage those who are working full time to reach out to us or call or reach out to Ati Susan, or to my YouTube channel. I have a Facebook page as well. So and then it's very exciting. And my question, Ate, another one before we leave is when did you start?
I start November 17. It's 3 months, sakto the 17.
Oh, really?
Yes,
It's 3 months.
It's 3 months,
Oh.
February, yeah. So,
You still need the,
it's
so,
in a short period of time na kuha ko yung M1 na star as a coach na
so,
Pero it's not like an overnight
yeah.
success. You have to put some effort and time. I'm still working 2 jobs. May full-time ako and may part-time ako sa hospital, but I'm doing side hustle because I want extra money.
Okay,
because,
wait. Where's the first job? What do you do on your first job? Your full-time?
I'm full-time in a law firm. I'm working in a full-time real estate, and then I'm working part-time in the hospital, the Sunnybrook, but I'm doing the business inside. So after my work at the law firm,
oh my God.
in the afternoon, if I have a client or demo, my friend, whoever want to have the demo, I go there and show the product and everything like that.
Let them to try the machine. That's
try the
amazing.
machine,
Okay, so Guys, reach out to Madam Susan. So she's doing amazing job. Well done. And you know what, Madam Susan? M1 is just the beginning of your journey in Oli Life. So now you will be now you are part of the shareholder of the company.
Yeah.
And then good luck and enjoy and more production.
Yeah.
More
Win-win tayo
people,
dito.
yeah.
Win-win.
All right. Okay.
May kitaan dito, although hindi kami nagpo-post ng kita namin, it's our option. Pero may kita.
Mhm. All right. Thank you so much,
Thank
Ate
you, thank
Ganda.
you. Just join us and
Congratulations.
come here. Thank you, Marlo.
Thank you. You're welcome po.
Oh, you have a view